The Quarantine Learning goal is to send donations to the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund to aid all those affected by this pandemic. A problem we all face at the moment is boredom. However, there are other people or their family members who are suffering more from this horrible virus called the coronavirus. With the numbers rising by thousands each day, this crisis is becoming more and more concerning as well as costly for our government and ourselves. To fight and defeat this situation, we need all of us to donate as much as possible for the greater good of our country and ourselves. Any donations are considered as a blessing at Quarantine Learning, so we ask you to visit our website and follow the easy steps to donate through Google Pay. You could also spread the Quarantine Learning goal to as many people possible. If we work together, these devastating times will fly by, so we plead you to donate, as your donation might save a person's life.